In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add and upload images to Wix. By the end of this tutorial, you'll know exactly how to place images on your site, swap them out, and publish your changes with confidence. Let's start inside your Wix account. From your admin dashboard, look for the Edit Site button, typically on the Home or Setup tabs, and click it to open the website editor. This is where all the visual magic happens and where you'll make changes that visitors will eventually see. Next, decide where the image should live on your page. Scroll to the area you want to update. If there's already a suitable section, you can use it. If not, click Add Section to create a clean space dedicated to your media. Adding a new section helps keep your layout organized and ensures your image has the breathing room it needs to look professional. Now, head to the left-hand sidebar and click the plus icon labeled Add Elements. This opens a panel with all the items you can place on a page. Navigate to the image category. Think of this as your central hub for bringing pictures into your design. You have two main options for adding visuals. If you need a quick, high-quality photo, browse the Free from Wix library and choose an image. It will drop right onto your page and you can move it into position. If you prefer to use your own image, click Upload Media. You can upload from your computer or pull files from connected services like Google Drive, Facebook, Instagram, or even paste a direct URL. Use clear, high-resolution images that are optimized so your site loads quickly. Common formats like JPEG and PNG work well. If you're replacing a picture that's already on the page, simply double tap it and choose Change Image. Select a new file from your uploads or the Wix library, and it will seamlessly swap in without breaking your layout. Once your image is on the canvas, fine-tune it. Drag the corners to resize and use the alignment guides to keep everything tidy. Dragging from a corner maintains the aspect ratio, which prevents stretching. Position it until it feels balanced with your text and other elements. When everything looks right, head to the top right and click Save to store your edits, then click Publish to push those changes live to your website. Saving keeps your progress secure, and publishing makes your updates visible to visitors. That's it. You've added, uploaded, and updated images in Wix. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.